Keep it steady, watch the clearance on the right side. We need this load to the mill by noon.
Trailer 4 is almost full. Redirecting the next load now. Let's see the manifest for this load.
Here you go. Everything is accounted for.
Moisture levels are good. Clear this shipment for processing.
The moisture levels are slightly high on intake 2. We should adjust the flow rate immediately. Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now.
Temperature holding steady at the target. Perfect, the purification is complete. The flow rate on evaporator 3 is spiking.
Adjusting the steam pressure now.
The supersaturation level is stabilizing right on target. Good, the crystal feed rate is consistent.
Temperature is stable at 20 degrees Celsius.
The crystals look perfect, very consistent.
Moved white sugar flows into high-speed automatic filling machines. The machines accurately fill bags, pouches, and retail packages of different sizes.
Okay, this pallet is secure. Check the manifest one last time. All clear, boss. Sealing it now.
In 500 meters, take the exit for the regional highway. Continue for 20 kilometers, then turn right onto the country road.
This is perfect. Careful, you'll eat it all before it's baked.
Witness the complete journey. Through advanced technology and continuous production, we transform fresh sugarcane into the highest quality premium white sugar. Check the tension on those straps. We need them fully secure for international transit. Confirmed. The seal is applied. Once loaded, the premium white sugar begins its journey across the ocean, exported around the world. Ovens. Automated systems transfer the giant mixing tanks and lines. The camera caption lines.